Okay, y'all, so here we are right in front of the Tom Thumb. That's the first floor of the Gabriella Dallas. So we're actually gonna walk inside. This is an all new Tom Thumb, and it's a beautiful grocery store. This is a high-end grocery store that's in the Texas area. And I love going to Tom Thumb. It usually has just beautiful items for sale that's to eat and to enjoy, and then it's just a pretty looking store. So let's look in the store. This is a nice store. I can't believe how big this is, and it's on the first floor of a luxury apartment building. So as a resident of the Gabriella, man, you've got access to just go here and enjoy it anytime. You can get groceries. You can look at this salad bar. It's $7.99 a pound, and it's soup and salad. So look at all the things that are included with this. Creamy potato bacon soup, chunky chicken noodle. Wow, look at all these strawberries, cheese, just great things for your salad, all here. And then just the store is so neat and nice. It just feels great. So you've got all your vegetables here. You've got an organic section, it looks like. So let's take a look at that organic section. That's very important to me. Organic section, all here. It's all great. By the way, the store smells great, and it looks great too. By the way, there's also a self-checkout here too, so you can just check out quick when you need to. And then back to the organics over here. There's a delicatessen, bakery, and all those kind of things over there. So you really have, this is a luxury grocery store, and you've got some beer and wine options here too. I'm noticing that everything just looks nice and very upscale. Even the signs, you see the signs? I just like how the signs look. And everything's really bright. This is probably a 30-foot tall ceiling up there. So this is just a great feel in here. I really like it. There's cheese. They really have everything you need. So this is not a place where you just get, just the basics. Although you can get the basics, you can really get everything you need here. But it's just a super nice store. And how convenient is it that you have that here, and you can live at the Gabriella, and then you can enjoy this great store. So it's you just walk downstairs and it's here, y'all. So I'm really impressed with this Tom Thumb. Looks good, feels good, it feels safe, it feels clean. So this is just my general impressions on it. But wow, of course it has hummus and dips. Yeah, that's like mega important to me, no joke. And it's a great looking store. Oh, and it's got it looks like ready meals. I love a store that has ready meals. So they do have ready meals here. Let's see what they have. So they've got spinach lasagna, and they've got roasted potatoes. Ooh, yeah, with this salmon and with brown rice. That's good. Oh yeah. So this is all good. So not only do you have the groceries, but then you can just grab some quick meals, and I'm betting the prices are pretty good too. So look at this, $5.99. That's crazy. So you got a ready to eat meal, $5.99. That's $6.99. So y'all, listen, this is just luxury, and it's cheap. You've got some sandwiches that are here. Those are all ready to go too. These prices, I bet this is going to be, $5 or $6. Okay, this is $4.99. That's just crazy. So wonderful prices, great luxury, and all this stuff. And you've got it all here when you're at the Gabriella. Just quick, easy access to this. All right, so, before we go, we're going to look at the Starbucks that's over here, because that's built in as well. And I love having a Starbucks. Love me some Starbucks. So Starbucks is here. So you've got the Starbucks, and then you've got the Tom Thumb. So they have, of course, they've got all your favorite Starbucks. It's a Starbucks. So they've got all your favorites here, and this is October, so it's kind of, you know, more the fall season and stuff. Hi, how are you? Good, good. I'll be back. I'm actually recording this so people can see Tom Thumb, but I'm gonna come back and get me some coffee. Okay, thank you. What's your name? Okay, I'm Grant.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. So anyway, here we go. So we're all set here with some coffee, and she's gonna help me get some coffee in just a minute, okay? So, all right, thank you. All right, so got all this just convenience. It's all here, y'all. So anyway, that was the entrance. It's literally, you just walk out the leasing office and you walk around the corner, and then here you go. So, all right, so next step is we're actually gonna step inside the Gabriella and take a look.